guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a all new MG Gloster BS6 2021 vehicle. This is one of the huge biggest size in XUV. Before going to start the video, please subscribe to Motor Beast channel and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So friends, here you can see the firstly front part. Coming to the headlights position is very nice. The grill size at the front is very nice on offer. Coming to the front headlights position, here you can see the dual projector setup with the running LED DRS and cornering lights are LEDs on offer, and huge lights has been given on these headlights, and fog lamps position is also very nice on offer. Fog lamps is given in the halogens. And coming to the huge size of the side profile is very nice. Coming to the side view mirror, finish up with a silver treatment of side view mirror. So friends, here you can see mirror has been given in the silver treatment of position with the indicators on side view mirrors very nice. Large enough of window size. Interior is very airy feeling with this window size, and huge car in the wheelbase of this price segment and also with at this variants on SUV cars. Coming to the down, here you can see the skid plates has been provided with the entering into the cabin, and also with the tire size comes with the 19 inches of wheel size and huge car. Coming to the rear profile, all the LED treatments of taillights has been provided on this MG Gloster. Gloster has written in the bold letters with the space between the Gloster. MG badge done with a handmade logo, and Gloster written at the number plate position now. Chrome line finish around that, and under that below you can see the camera setup with a 4-wheel drive assistant mode, and internet inside written at the another side of the badge, and silver treatment of skid plates below the lower side has been provided with a single exhaust. The two exhaust has been as fake, and coming to the it has only single exhaust under the body of the car, and fuel capacity of this tank comes with 75 liters of fuel capacity, and mileage comes around 12.5 liters at the city rates and 14 liters at the highways. Let's open the rear door and see what are the features has been added in the rear door and rear seat. And here you can see the rear door has opened with the large enough of entering into the cabin, and bottle holders has given with the power window buttons has been done with the leather treatment of door handles are very nice. Of all the doors with the brown leather treatment of stitches are very nice. Build quality is very nice, and silver treatment of door handles has been given at the side, and 1 liter water bottle easily it will be fixed. And entering into the cabin, here you can see the MG badge has been written of welcome board. The center seats comes with the captain seats on offer. No bench seats on this price segment with the comfort levels on this MG Gloster. Let's sit inside and see. Firstly, here you can see all the treatments of inside the cabin, and lot of spacious and lot of interior airy feeling of this color treatment in the seat covers. The third row seat, I'm not going to third row seat and showing that underthe support and headroom knee room is also massive enough for adults for short journeys, and for children long journeys easily you can travel for long journeys, no problem at all. No center armrest with the twin cup holders, but cup holders has been given at the side. Here you can see the cup holders has given for all the doors, and speakers also provided for the third row passengers, and windows are large enough for third row passengers also for interior airy feeling. Two adjustable headrests as given with the 40-60 splitted seats of third row. You can increase the boot size from the rear only. Captain seats has been leather treatment which has been done of seat covers are very nice. The cushion is very nice, and white stitches on the seat covers of brown are very awesome look on this inside the cabin of interior. And detail here you can see the dashboard design, and underthe support is a massive enough for captain seats, and also with the knee room and headroom of scooped out seats has been provided with also with the headroom as a massive for above the taller 6 feet, and sunroof gives a massive enough of interior airy feeling, and huge panoramic sunroof has provided for the MG's Gloster. So overall these are the seats, and you can see the armrest has been adjustable for all the captain seats at the center row, and space between here you can see the captain row for coin holders. Dual auto climate control has been given at the center of rear, and magazine holders has given pockets for the rear captain seats. Holder has been given for captain seats because this is a SUV of body on frame car, and holders also provided at the side at the top, and AC vents has given at the top for all the 6 passengers, and light has been given at the LEDs with the piano black finish touch on the left side. And overall this is a cabin of second row, and this headrest of the center captain seats are very nice, and easily you can adjust the center headrest as per your requirement. The stitches of the leather treatment is very nice. I impressed very lot after seeing that. It has a BMW stitches. Coming to here, you can see the dashboard design from the second row. Let's go to front and see what are the features has been added. The bottom is a flat captain seats and easily easily entering to the third row is very easy from the captain seats. And coming to the engine placement, engine comes with a 2.0 twin turbo engine with a 1996 diesel engine, only single engine on offer, 215 bhp of power at 4000 rpm, 480 newton meters of torque at 2400 rpm, 4 cylinders, 4 valves per cylinder, twin charged turbo exhaust, and also with a automatic gearbox with a 8-speed and 4-wheel drive on offer you get in this variant. And here you can see the power window buttons at the front door has been given with the lock and unlock system of chain lock has been given with the silver line treatment of all the door treatments are very nice, and 1 liter water bottle holders as given at the front also, same as easily you can operate the fuel lid from here only. And overall wide enough of opening the door at this segment of the bigger size SUV. And electric adjustable of driver position seat has been given on this generation with the 2 memory function seats has been buttons have given to the electric of driver position seats, and also with the 2 memory seats and also with the electric adjustable seat as co-driver position seat has been given on this MG Gloster. 2 pedals has been given at the down because this is the automatic vehicle. Now I am showing in the video. So entering into the cabin is very difficult because the height of the vehicle is very huge on offer. And coming to, it's a diesel vehicle on BS6 2021 variant. Coming to frontly, here you can see the center armrest with the 2 partitions of center armrest, so that easily you can operate the center armrest inside the space, deep inside the space. So here you can see the deep inside the space with the 12 volt charging socket has been provided on this center armrest with the coolest center armrest. To the suspension comes with the dual helix independent suspension at the front and 5-link integrated suspension at the rear. Telescopic tilt steering column has been given, and rack and pinion gear type has been given. And also both the 4 has the disc brakes. And center console, here you can see the twin cup holders. Now I place the key of there, and piano black finish touch at the center console is very nice on offer. I have impressed very lot of that. High quality of plastics and high quality of material has been used on this MG Gloster. So I have very much impressed of the joystick gearbox and joystick gear lever because it's look like a BMW. And here you can see the 4 modes on offer: rain, sports, snow, sand, rock, auto. And there are total 5 modes on offer with electric parking brake, and also with the parking indications with the drive, neutral, reverse has been given on the indications of the lever, gear lever. And here you can see the lot of buttons has been given, traction controls and steering adjustable with the power auto parking, and also with the buttons only here only at the center console. And other side here you can see the memory function seats with the vintage seats at the 2 captain seats, and also with the 2 driver and co-passenger seat. And here you can see the wireless charging pad has been given. Opening that into the detail, you can see the USB ports, aux, and also with the 12 volt charging socket has been provided on this center console inside the wireless charging pad, and easily you can operate of this. And detail here you can see the 3-zone auto climate control inside the vehicle with the 2 AC vents at the front, 4 AC vents at the front, as well as switch has been provided at the front. And dashboard design is very nice with the leather touch of premium feel as. And coming to here you can see the 12.28 inch touchscreen has been provided of the center infotainment system. A lot of technology has been used in this infotainment system, like Gaana app connectivity has been given inbuilt of this MG, and also a lot of technology like Indian ambience lighting I will show in the video now. And here you can see the Gaana app connectivity. You can almost play all the new trending songs in this car only without an internet, because internet inside has been written with the Gaana tie-up has been done with the MG. Comes with the 4985 mm of length. Breadth comes with the 1926 mm of breadth. Height comes with the 1867. The seating capacity of the vehicle comes with overall 6 passengers, and wheelbase comes with the 2950 of wheelbase. Total 5 doors on offer. Here you can see the 360-degree camera, rear camera has been provided with a lot of clarity of this megapixel of rear camera. Here you can see the Indian ambience lighting with the 12 colors on offer, and brightness up and down also with the changing of colors as per your requirement and as per your taste. Now I kept the violet color, girl's favorite color, and blue color I have changed now, so easily you can operate the Indian ambience lighting as per your requirement. And additional features has been added to this, like power steering, power window front, power windows rear, power boot, and also with the air conditioner, heater, adjustable steering, and 3-zone auto climate control, remote climate control, remote trunk opener, and also with the low fuel warning light, accessories, power outlet, trunk light, remote home and light control, and vanity mirror, vanity mirror, rear seat headrest and adjustable headrest, rear seat center armrest, and etc etc. There are a lot of features has been added on this car. Other center console can operate from Indian ambience lighting and also with a sound system, also with adjustable of lights. And here you can see the tire pressure monitoring has been given at the front of infotainment system, and also with low departure warning, and also with the controls like a panoramic sunroof, headlights controls, and also a lot of another technology has been used on this car, so that easily you can control with this infotainment system. Also additional features has been added to this: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and also with a electric gear shift, auto park, intelligent 4-wheel drive, and also with a seat massage driver seat with a 12-way power adjustable seat, co-driver seat 8-way power adjustable seat. I have said already, with a flat fold and recline of PM 2.5 filter, and remote key controls has been done on this generation. And here you can see the detail of the co-passenger seat way of design is very nice. Leather treatment of brown leather treatment is very nice. So here you can see the coolest glove box has been given on this generation. Glove box is massive enough for the documentation of the vehicle. A-gate red. And here you can see the steering controls are call, attend and decline. Also with the cruise controls has been done with there are total 5 colors on offer. Now I am showing this color is called as an MG badge has been given at the steering. Left side steering controls has given for the instrument cluster, and lot of controls has been given from the left side. Those controls has been given on the steering only, and right side controls are given for the infotainment system. And instrument cluster has a lot of information. I will say at the end of the video so that you can understand easily of this instrument cluster. See the right side, you can see the side view mirror adjustable buttons has been given at the right side, and left side. And here you can see the levers for the lights operate, and LEDs, DRLs and projector setup has given for the right lever at the right side. And left side you can see the dual blade wiper has been given, and side view mirror is large enough for the rear view at this huge car. And auto dimming inside has been given with the butterflies lights has been given at the top, and piano black finish touch has been given with the premium touch, and LED lights has been given in that. And there are 2 buttons for operate the panoramic sunroof, huge panoramic sunroof. First button you can open the shield of the panoramic sunroof, and second button you can open the panoramic sunroof. Here you can see the huge panoramic sunroof has been opening, so that interior huge panoramic sunroof and luxurious feeling of this panoramic sunroof. And coming to the wheel size, comes with the 255/55 19 inches tubeless radial tires has been given at the R19 inches. So overall this is a front view, and rear comes with the captain seats, and third row comes with the bench seat, and driver and co-passenger seat is very comfortable. I like the seats as very comfortable with the cushion and also with the leather treatment of stitches on that. So overall this is a walk around video of all new MG Gloster. If you like the video, please give thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed to MotoBeat channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Bye.